Hey guys, welcome back once again to the music school. My name is Abhijith Hegde, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the scale quantization feature in Logic Pro X. So let's get started. So to start things off, as you all can see, I have this recorded MIDI loaded up. So let me just make you listen to it. So this particular MIDI was recorded in the key of A and in the scale of minor. So now if I want to change this particular MIDI into a different key and into a different scale, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to select all the notes here by using the shortcut Control A. And in this particular region where it says scale quantization, I'm going to select a key of my choice. So for example, let's say G, and I'm going to select a scale of my choice, and you already can see when I'm selecting a particular key or a particular scale, the notes in the piano roll are moving automatically. So now in terms of scale, I'm going to take probably Lydian and probably change the key to something else as well, and you guys can have a look that the notes moved by itself. So now when I play this now, if you're not happy with it, you can again change the key. Let's take B for that matter. You can also change the scale again. So with the help of scale quantization feature, you can convert a simple melody in and experiment it with different scales to get different emotions in your tracks. So I hope you found this video interesting. For exciting updates, make sure you check out our Instagram profile, and I'll see you guys until next time. Cheers.